Right, that's the first part answers of the second term paper. Look at the first one. Underline the most suitable answer. Okay, correct or most suitable answer you have to select. There are 4 answers given of the each questions. So you have to select correct or most suitable answer. Look at, did you read well this paper before writing the answers?
Yes, sir.
Look at the first question. A secondary need of man is secondary need. I think you remember we
I
discussed
think
about the
secondary is
basic.
another other needs.
Yes, we discussed basic needs. No, basic needs. There are 3 basic needs we discussed. What are the basic need? Air. The most important one is air. Water. Then
Water.
houses are essential, but it is not the basic need. It is the secondary need, right? So your answer should be houses.
Me also. My answer is also houses. Huh?
Yes, some students underline. I saw your papers air, right? Some student underlined water, right? Some students underline food, but some students underline houses, right? I think the students who underline air, water, food like that, they did not read well the question, right? This question asks secondary need. Secondary need mean not basic, right? Look at the second one, the color which shows obesity. Obesity, according to the BMI is, there are 4 colors given, orange, green, light purple, dark purple. The obesity, the color represented light purple. Okay, light purple. So the correct answer, light purple, not dark purple. It should be the light purple. Second answer, the correct one. Okay. Right. Then look at the third question. Third question given, the body should be brought down by bending at knees 4. The body should be brought down by bending at knees 4. අපි මේ ධන හිස් වලින් බෙන්ඩ් කරන්න ඕන. බෙන්ඩ් කරනවා කියන්නේ නවනවා කියන එක නේද? ඒතර මොන වගේ අවස්ථාවකද මේ ධන හිස් වලින් නවන්න ඕන? The correct walking, the correct running, the correct landing and the correct standing. Landing mean what? අර කොතනක හරි අර උඩක ඉඳලා බිමට පතිත වෙනවා. Right? So the correct answer should be third one. A correct landing.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Wow, my answer is getting corrected in the third
For
one.
the
Yes.
you have put a light purple, but in the book it has shown dark purple.
Yes, sir.
Book.
Light purple is
Light purple or
Light-
dark purple of your book?
dark.
I think it's dark purple. Some
Dark purple.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will check it again. Right. Fourth one, look at volleyball was originated in Italy, India, England, America. Do you remember? It originated.
USA. USA.
No? Yes. America. Fourth answer. Netball was introduced Sri Lanka by
I knew the answer. It was Jenny Green.
yes, Mrs.
Green.
Jenny Green. That's the answer for fifth question. Okay. Right. Quickly you check your answers. Then I am going to question number 6. From question number 6 to 7, you have to join, no, match the column A and
Matching.
right.
The answer for
Look at the
one.
look at the column B. There are few words given, few answers given. First, you understand what's the meaning of those answers, right? ඉස්සෙල්ලා මේ වගේ meaning එක තෝරගන්න ඕගොල්ලෝ. Sorry, the second one answer dark purple. Okay, second one answer dark purple.
I knew it.
Fourth one, okay, dark purple. Light purple mean overweight, no? Green color appropriate weight for the height, that mean the correct BMI. Orange mean underweight, so the obesity represent dark purple. Fourth answer.
Yes.
Yes. Now look at before match the answers. You look at the part column B answers. Meditating, breaking the tail, being suspected from the playing, from playing.
Not suspected. Suspended.
Yes, suspended, some spelling printing mistake, no? Sports and exercise, height and weight, speed and weight. Okay, meditating mean bhavana kirima. Before you match these answers, you look at the meanings, right? නිකාම match කරගෙන යන්නේ නැහැ මේකට මේක කියලා. Meditate mean භාවනාව. Breaking the tail, it is the minor game, no? Sport game. Suspend mean අර තහනම් කරනවා, right? තරඟ තහනම් කරනවා. Sports and exercise, ක්‍රීඩා සහ ව්‍යායාම. Height and weight, උස සහ බර. Speed and weight, වේගය සහ බර.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Fourth one එකේ තිබ්බේ මේ volleyball එක මුලින් පටන් ගත්තේ කොහෙද කියලා නේද?
Originated. මොන රටෙන්ද මේක ආරම්භ වුනේ? ඒ කියන්නේ මේක
Netball is originated America.
Yes.
එතකොට sir volleyball මොකෙන්ද ආරම්භ වුනේ? මොන රටෙන්ද?
America, no? United States mean.
No sir, මේ netball ඇමරිකාවෙන් පටන් ගත්තා කියලා පොතේ තියෙන්නේ.
ඔව් මෙතන තියෙන volleyball නේ.
Yes sir.
ඔව්. Question number 5, Jenny Green. I think you remember volleyball was originated in the United States of America, no? So the answer is America, right? Volleyball originated United States of America.
Or you can say USA, yeah?
Yes, USA. Netball also originated in America, right? United States America mean also America. මම lesson එකේදී මම හිතන්නේ කිව්වා නේද USA කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා නේද? Right.
Yup.
Yes. Okay. Now look at the questions of from question number 6 to 10. Right. On them බලන්න meanings ටික තේරුම් ගත්තට පස්සේ මෙතනින් මොනවද connect වෙන්න ඕන, right? By dissolving rules, regulations and ethics in sports. Right? ඒ කියන්නේ අර මොකක් හරි ක්‍රීඩාවක තියෙන නීති රීති ඒ සදාචාර කඩ කරොතින් මොනවද කරන්නේ යා? Being suspended, no? So the correct answer, you have to join this one. Okay. Right. Number 7, look at to lessen stress. What is the answer? Stress. අර මානසික පීඩනය අවම කරගන්න මොනවද අපිට කරන්න පුළුවන්? Meditating.
Meditation.
Right? Meditating, no? භාවනා කරන්න පුළුවන්. A minor game. Breaking
Breaking.
a tail. The factors for measuring the BMI. BMI mean body mass index. What are the factors? Height and weight.
Height and
Control the weight of the body.
sport and exercise.
Exercises, no? We have
Another word is
sports
here.
and- Yes, another word given. Some students, I think, join that one also, right? But you have to select the correct answers, right? An extra one given. Okay, that's the number 6 to 10 answers, correct answers. Quickly you mark the answers.
Me also mark like Sir Mark matched the.
Correct.
I'm exciting.
I'm done my work.
Me also. I got all answers correct. I think.
Okay.
Wait me.
Yes, all our answers are correct.
I will send the marks of the test. Then you can check how many marks you got for the second term test. Okay. I think these questions are not difficult. Okay. But you have to understand, no meaning. What are the meanings? Correct meanings you have to understand. Okay. Now I am going to next questions.
Wait a minute, sir.
Wait a minute. Sir.
Yes, my answers are correct.
Okay, then look at number 11. You have to mark true or false. If the answers are true, you have to mark tick sign. Statements are incorrect, you have to put cross sign. Look at the first one. First one given, the priority should be given to desires more than needs. Priority mean moolikatwaya, right? What's the meaning of this sentence? Priority should be given moolikatwaya denna onalu to desires that more than needs. ආසාවන් වලට දෙන්නලු අවශ්‍යතාවන් වලට වඩා. Correct or incorrect? It is incorrect, no? We have to give the priority for the needs.
Social need.
Yes. So it is incorrect. Okay. It is incorrect. Next one, look at correct postures. Give a good appearance to the body.
Correct.
It is correct. Diabetes and cancers are communicable diseases. Communicable mean bovana. Non-communicable bonovana. I think you know diabetes and cancers are
Incorrect.
non-communicable diseases, right? Diabetes කියන ඒවා අපිට බෝ වෙන එකක් නෙවෙයි නේද? Right? It is incorrect. A score is gained by making a correct shooting in playing netball.
Correct.
netball play කරනකොට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට අර marks ලැබෙන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ ඒවට අර දෙනවනේ points නේද? ඒ points ලැබෙන්නේ හරියට shoot කරාම. Shoot mean you have to put the correctly inside the net. Right? It is correct.
Next also correct.
Last one, the ability to performing a task
correct.
in the shortest period of time is speed. The ability of performing a task මොකක් හරි කාර්යයක් කිරීම within a shortest period කෙටි කාලයකින් කිරීම of time is speed. හරි අර කෙටි කාලයකින් කිරීමලු අපි speed කියලා කියන්නේ. හරි නේද ඒක? It is correct.
It is correct.
Okay, it is correct. Right. Another 5 questions we have to discuss of the first part. Right. Now I'm going to next 5 questions. Okay. You have to fill in the blanks, but I think several extra answers given. Look at the answers: turning, thinners, march, stand at ease, balance, stand is hatmaluwa. Right. Number 16, look at blank is a basic leg movement. Blank is a basic leg movement.
Turning.
You read carefully the answers. Some students wrote hatmaluwa. Hatmaluwa is not basic leg movement.
Stand at easy.
Yes, leg movement mean then ඔගොල්ලෝ බලන්න stand is at ease.
පාද චලනය.
ඒ මේ වගේදී අර පහසුවෙන් ඉන්නකොට නේද සිත්සේ ඉන්නකොට අපි මොකුත් චලන කරන්නේ movements වෙන්නේ මොනවද leg movements වෙන්නේ මොන වගේ අවස්ථාවකද march මේ march කියන්නේ අර මේ month එක නෙවෙයි march past කියන එක අහලා තියෙනවනේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ නේද අන්න ඒක right march. So the correct answer march.
Sure, but the turning is incorrect.
Turning is incorrect. Right? Basic leg movements, no? So the most suitable answer is march. Next one, look at blank is a mixed food. I think only one answer you can get. Hatmaluwa. Hatmaluwa is a mixed food. Hatmaluwa is a mixed food. Right. Number 18, look at lack of proper weight. Lack mean adu කියන එක, right? Lack mean adu. Lack of proper weight. අර නියමිත බරට වඩා අඩු වුණොත් to a height is known as උසට ගැලපෙන විදියට නියම බර අඩු වුණොත් අපි මොනවා කියලාද කියන්නේ, right? What is the suitable answer? Thinness, no?
Thinness.
Right? You have to select from these answers. Okay, correct answer. Thinness. When you are listening to a lecture for a long period of time, you should be
Stand is.
yes, stand is right. Stand
is.
I think you remember when you participate for an assembly, right? Or the long period of time lecture, right? We have to use stand is method. Right. Last question of this paper, the part 1. A meal in which all the nutrients are included is known as
Balanced diet.
Balanced diet.
yes, balanced diet, no? But this question given balanced. Balanced. Okay, that's the first 20 question answers. Each question you can get 2 marks. There are 20 questions. That means 40 marks you can get for the first paper. Right. Then I am going to the second part. There are 7 questions, but you have to write only 5 questions. Okay. First one compulsory, and another 4 questions you have to write the answers. But I will discuss all questions. So quickly write the correct answers. first question compulsory. Okay, ඔගොල්ලෝ හරියට මේක පුරුදු වෙන්න. දැන් සාමාන්‍ය ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ අර හැම subject එකම වගේ මෙහිම දෙනවා. The first question is compulsory. Question number 1 compulsory. Compulsory mean අනිවාර්යෙන් ලියන්න ඕන. Right? If you did not write the answers, it is no problem. But you can't get 16 marks. Right? ලිව්වේ නැහැ කියලා ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. ලකුණු 16ක් කෙලින්ම අඩු වෙනවා. හරි දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේක ලියන්නේ නැතුව අර වෙන questions පහක් ලිව්වොත් 4කට විතරයි marks හම්බෙන්නේ. මේක හම්බෙන්නේ නැහැ. මෙතනට 16 marks තියෙනවා. Right? ඒකින්ද අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මේ instructions හොඳට කියවන්න paper එකක් ලියන්න.
Very important.
Yes.
Very important.
Yes, it is very important to follow the instructions correctly.
This is extremely important question.
Yes. Look at, okay, first question is compulsory and another 4 more questions too. Right? First එක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම ලියන්න ඕන. තව 4කට answers ලියන්න ඕන. That means 5 questions including first one. Right? Look at the first question. Pubudu is a clever student in grade 6 and also he is totally healthy with a better physical fitness. He is also a football player and engaging in joyful games with friends. Right? That's the normal description given. Then there are 8 parts given. Each part you can get 2 marks. Look at the first part. Write 2 features of Pubudu as he is totally healthy. Right? Totally healthy. Totally health mean what? සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම මෙයා සෞඛ්‍යමත් ජීවිතයක් ගත කරනවා. ඒතකොට දැන් සමහර ස්ටුඩන්ට්ස්ලා මම දැක්ක ලියලා තියෙනවා අර එක එක පාර්ට්ස් වලට දීපුව වෙන වෙනම ලියලා තිබුණා. හරි? අර කොමන් ඒවායි මෙතනදි ලියන්න ඕන. ඔයගොල්ලෝ මොකද්ද මේ healthy life එකක් කියලා කියනවා කිව්වේ? අපි ස්පෙෂලි පාර්ට්ස් 4ක් මෙන්ෂන් කරාම මතකද? මොනවද healthy life එකක් ගත කරන්න නම් තියෙන්න ඕන?
paper, photocopy.
Clean water and healthy food.
No.
Immunity, being
Physical, mental, social, and spiritual well-being.
Yes. You have to write the correct answers for this part. දැන් කවුද රිදෝෂ් කිව්වා නේද? මොනවද hygiene ඒවා කිව්වා. ඒ physical වලට. Right? ඒ දෙන්නේ physical well-being වල features. හරි දැන් මෙතන අහන්නේ write 2 features of Pubudu as is totally healthy. සම්පූර්ණ සෞඛ්‍යමත් ජීවිතයක් ගත කරනකොට මොනවද එන්න ඕන? So your answer should be physical well-being, social, mental, and what is the other one?
Spiritual.
Spiritual. Yes, only 2 answers you have to write from these 4 answers. හරි මේ හතරෙන් තමයි ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේකට ඕන answers දෙකක් ලියන්න පුළුවන්කම තියෙන්නේ. Right? If you wrote other answers, you can't get the marks. So you have to write physical, mental, social,
And spiritual well-being.
spiritual,
Marks.
spiritual well-being.
I wrote better physical fitness and engaging in games.
Yes, engaging in game mean only the physical well-being, no? Only you mention about the physical well-being.
Teacher, sir, I wrote as having physical, mental, social, and spiritual well-beings. Is it also correct?
Yes, it is no problem. You mentioned points, no?
Engaging in joyful games.
Yes, joyful games mean only. Sorry, what's the mean? What you ask?
Engaging in joyful games.
Yes,
It is correct or incorrect?
it is incorrect, no? Engaging in joyful games mean only the physical well-being, no? Physical and sometimes mental well-being. So you have to write the correct answers for the totally healthy, right? Totally healthy life. I think this one, that's the first subtopic of our health subject, no? Of grade 6, right? What's the meaning of healthy life according to the WHO? Do you remember? Right. Second question.
Now I knew it. Thanks for the reminding. Huh?
Yes. Second part, look at.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Since the first question's first part says to write 2 features, I just wrote as having physical, mental, social, and spiritual well-beings and having better sport skills. Is it all right?
Okay, no problem. You wrote these parts, no? It is no problem. Right. Look at the second part. Write 2 good habits that Pubudu follows to keep his mouth clean when he is keeping personal hygiene. Right. එයාගේ අර mouth එක clean වෙන විදියට මොනවද අහනවා good habits දෙකක් කියන්න කියලා කියනවා. What are the good habits?
Brushing the teeth. Brushing the teeth twice a day.
Yes.
Wash our mouth after having meal.
Yes. Lot of answers you can write. Quickly write down 2 answers. Brushing teeth twice a day after the meals.
So every day clean teeth.
Every day. Yes, you have to clean the teeth every day, but twice a day, no?
Okay, sir.
I am brushing
Excuse
twice a
me,
day.
sir.
Checking the teeth every week.
Yes. Another one we can write.
Keep tunnels so cleanly.
Avoiding the use of old brushes.
I am taking new brushes to clean my teeth.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, is it correct if we write as brushing teeth twice a day and keep teeth healthy?
Keep teeth healthy. Yes, okay. I will check your answers, okay? Now you write down these answers of your book. Right? I will check your answer.
Brushing the teeth. Check the teeth every week. Is it correct?
Okay, I will check your answers. මම ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ answers ටික check කරලා marks ටික එවනවා. ඔයගොල්ලෝ ලියපු answers මේ answers ටිකකුත් ලියා ගන්න, right?
You need to compare your answers with the sir's answers.
Yes. Using suitable brushes and toothpaste, right? Like that method you can use toothpaste. Also a lot of answers you can write, okay? Don't eat more sweet items, no? Right? Like that answers you can write.
The third part looks like pretty easy to me.
Yes, it is very easy. That's the feature of a paper, no? Some parts are difficult, but some parts are easy, right? Mix. You have to ready for your third term test also, okay? Another after another 2 lessons, you have to face third term test. Okay, I finished note down.
Yes, sir.
I am putting your typist in my mindset.
Okay, look at the third part. Write 2 more organized games that Pubudu can participate in except football. Football වලට අමතරව තව organized games ලියන්නලු. I think lot of organized games we discussed. You can write volleyball, netball, LA, rugby, football, basketball, right? Also cricket, right? Like that games you can write as the answers. Okay, any two answers you can write. Volleyball, LA,
Men and women's game. Are you typing? Huh?
netball, rugby, cricket. Okay, like that. Any two games you can write, no problem. Basketball, right. Fourth part, you can write a suitable answer. Write an activity that Pubudu might have done to practice the ball controlling with his friend. One student, can you tell me the suitable answer for this one? Write an activity that Pubudu might have done to practice the ball controlling with his friend. Right, මේ පුබුදුට යාගේ යාළුවොත් එක්ක බෝල් එක කන්ට්‍රෝල් කරන්න මොන වගේ ඇක්ටිවිටීස් දහනවා කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right, do you remember the
Excuse me, sir.
game football? About football.
Yep.
While running.
What is the suitable
Hit the
answer?
ball by leg while running.
Yes. Kick the ball.
By leg while running.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. I wrote the answer as balance. Is it correct?
What is the answer?
Balance.
Balance. Balance. Balance. Okay, I will type. You write the suitable answer. Only one activity you have write. Okay, an activity mean only one activity. You have write the answer. Write down this one. Passing the ball. Passing the ball between two by standing apart. By standing apart with short distance. Right, දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ මෙතන sorry football වලට ගැලපෙන එකක් තමයි ලියන්න ඕන. Okay, not volleyball, football.
Sir, can we write passing ball?
Yes, passing ball. Do you remember the method? අර method එකක් මතකද? අර මෙහෙම zigzag method එකට නේද? Right, like that. Kicking the ball slowly and taking it forward. Right, like that. Suitable answers you can write. ඒක මම ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ answers බලලා check කරලා marks දෙන්නේ. Right, මම papers භාගයක් විතර බැලුවා ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ තව ටිකක් තියෙනවා බලන්න. Okay, right, suitable one answer you can write. Then next one, look at write and physical fitness factor.
එතකොට අද පේපර් එකේ මාක් පෙන්නන්නේ නැද්ද?
නෑ නෑ අද දෙන්නේ නෑ marks. තව තියෙනවනේ papers ටිකක් බලන්න. Okay, ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැනට marks ටික බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට, right? මේ කියන answers එක answers ලියා ගන්න. Write a physical fitness factor that Pubudu should develop as a football player. Right? ෆුට්බෝල් ප්ලේයර් කෙනෙක් විදියට මෙයා ඩෙවලොප් වෙනකොට පුබුදු ඩෙවලොප් වෙනකොට මොන වගේ ෆිසිකල් ෆිට්නස් ෆැක්ටර්ස්ද තියෙන්න ඕන කියලා අහන්නේ. right සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මෙයාගේ ස්පීඩ් එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ නේද ෆුට්බෝල් ප්ලේයර් කෙනෙක් වුණාම. right so the one factor is speed and another factor strength. Another one coordination. That's the developing factors, coordination, and another one flexibility. Flexibility.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I wrote as kicking to the
Again, you say what?
I wrote as kicking to the target. Is it correct?
Kicking to the
Kicking to the target.
okay, I will check your answers. Now you write down like that answers. Okay. One.
Right. High degree of physical fitness.
Yes. One physical fitness you have to write only one enough. Okay, but I wrote 4 physical fitness factors. Right. Look at the 6th one. Write 2 minor games that Pubudu can play with his friend during the interval. A lot of minor games we discuss. You have to write only 2 minor games. What are the minor games you can write? Hopscotch, Quiz the King, and another throwing, no, jumping. Sorry,
Changing trees.
breaking the tail.
Cricket.
No, LA cricket you can't write. It is not the minor games, right? LA cricket mean organized games. You have
Changing trees.
minor games.
Hopscotch.
Yes, hopscotch.
Changing trees.
Yes, change in trace. Right, like that.
Who is the king? Is the king?
Yes. Who is the king? Right, like that. 2 answers you have to write. Only you have to write the minor games. Okay, you read carefully. 2 minor games you have to write. Right. Number 7. Look at what are the nutrients that give energy to Pubudu. Energy. Energy එක ලැබෙන්නේ nutrients මොනවද? Do you remember?
Carbohydrates, fats.
Yes. Carbohydrates and fats, no? Carbohydrates and fats. So you have right. Carbohydrates, fats. If you wrote vitamin, minerals, is it correct?
Incorrect. No.
Right? Vitamin, minerals has another functions, not give the.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I haven't write the way you said, but I have write as carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, minerals, and fat. Is it correct?
You wrote all answers, no? But this question.
Yes, sir, me too.
But this question asks what? What are the nutrients that give energy to Pubudu? Energy. Okay, I will decide that one can or can't be given the marks for that question. Right? බලමු එකට මම marks දෙනවද නැද්ද කියලා බලන්න ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ answers එක check කරලා. Okay. So now you write down the correct answer, only carbohydrate and fats. Right. Number 8, look at, that's the last part of this first question. Write 2 more motor skills that could be developed by engaging in minor games.
ability to play with or without equipment, ability to organize the game with available place.
Okay. දැන් මෙතනින් අහන්නේ මොකද අර මයිනර් ගේම්ස් වල ඔයගොල්ලෝ එන්ගේජ් වුණාම මොන වගේ දේවල්ද ඩෙවලොප් වෙන්නේ? right? මොනවද ඩෙවලොප් වෙන්නේ අපි? running,
Ability to play with or without equipment.
Jumping.
running, also
Jumping.
jumping, also throwing. Another one, turning, creeping, right? Like that parts we can develop by engaging in minor games, right? අපි minor games වල engage වෙනකොට මෙන්න මේ වගේ දේවල් අපිට වර්ධනය කරගන්න හැකියාවක් තියෙනවා. Yes, Ridu said, but the textbook not given this one, no? Yes, but you have to, that's a general knowledge, no? Right? බලන්න අපි minor game වල engage වෙනකොට මොන වගේ දේවල්ද අපිට දියුණු කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Right?
I don't know what is motor skill.
You ignore the motor, right? Two skills that could be developed by engaging in minor games. Right? What are the skills we can develop? Okay, now I'm going to next question. Okay, second one. I think the next 4 questions you can write easily. Right? දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ questions ලියනකොට තමන්ට හොඳටම ලියන්න පුළුවන් questions තෝරගන්න. Right? First one is compulsory. ඒක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම ලියන්න ඕන. Then another 6 questions remain, no? You have to write only 4 questions. Right? මේ පිළිවෙලටම එකේ ඉඳලා පහ දක්වා පිළිවෙලටම එහෙම එකක් නැහැ. හරි. ඔයගොල්ලෝ full questions 4ක් තමන්ට හොඳටම ලියන්න පුළුවන් 4ක් select කරගන්න ඕන. හරි. එතකොට තමයි full marks ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ නේද? Right. Look at the second question. Need and desires should be balanced to lead a healthy life. The first part, name 3 basic needs of man.
Food, water,
Food,
air,
water,
water, food.
air.
Yes, you have write only 3 answers. Air,
Food, water, air.
water, and food. That's the basic needs. Okay. If you wrote these 3 answers correctly, you can get 3 marks for that part. Write 2 facts that should be cared when needs are being satisfied. Cared means සැලකිලිමත් වෙන්න ඕන. Right? Write 2 facts that should be cared when needs are being satisfied. Right? Needs. කොහොමද අපි මේ needs වල satisfy වෙන්න මොන වගේ දේවල්ද care කරන්න ඕන. Right?
Harming or offending others.
මොනවද අපි care කරන්න ඕන. Matching one's health. ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ සෞඛ්‍යයට ගැලපෙන්න අත්‍යවශ්‍ය දෙයක් ඒක. So I can write the answers.
Sir, can we write the price?
Just matching with one's health. You have write 2 factors. Okay, 2 suitable factors you have to write. That's one answer. Another one, you can write economical background of family no right ඒ family එකට තියෙන ආර්ථික තත්ත්වය ගැන අපි care කරන්න ඕන economical background of family.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, any two answers you can write.
Sir, I don't understand the second question, second part.
Write two facts that should be cared when needs are being satisfied. හරි ඕගොල්ලෝගේ අර අවශ්‍යතා තමන්ට සරිලන විදියට සපුර ගන්න මොනවා ගැනද සැලකිලිමත් වෙන්න ඕන. හරි. දැන් අපි හිතමුකෝ ඕගොල්ලෝ මොන හරි අවශ්‍යතාවයක් තියෙනවා කියලා. ඒව සපුර ගන්නකොට අපි මොනවා ගැනද සැලකිලිමත් වෙන්න ඕන. අපි හිතමුකෝ දැන් ඕගොල්ලන්ට ඕන නේද? හෙලිකොප්ටර් එකක් ගන්න. හරි. ඉතින් හෙලිකොප්ටර් එකක් ගන්න නම් මේ ෆැමිලි එකේ බෑග්ග්‍රවුන්ඩ් එක නේද? ඉකොනොමිකල් බෑග්ග්‍රවුන්ඩ් එක හොඳ තත්ත්වයක තියෙන්න එපයිනේ. හා එහෙනම් ඒ මට්ටම තියෙනවා නම් ගන්න පුළුවන් නේද? අන්න ඒ වගේ අර අපි මොන වගේ දේවල්ද සැලකිලිමත් වෙන්න ඕන කියලා තමයි මේ ක්වෙස්චන් එකේදී අහන්නේ.
Sir, can we write the expire date?
Expire date you can't write. right ඒව නෙවෙයි අහන්නේ අර කල් විකුත් වීම දිනයක් නෙවෙයි. ඒතකොට ඒ කෑමක් ගැන ගන්නවා කියනකොට නේද? right අපි මොනවා හරි ගන්නකොට අපේ සෞඛ්‍යයට නේද? ඒක හොඳද නැද්ද කියලා බලන්න ඕන. ඒ වගේම
suitable
අපේ ආර්ථිකයට මේක ගැලපෙනවද නැද්ද? දැන් අනිත් අය ගත්ත කියලා අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන්ද බැරිද නේද? ඒ ගැන සැලකිලිමත් වෙන්න ඕන. එහෙම නැතුණොත් මොනවද වෙන්නේ දැන්? ඕගොල්ලෝගේ යාළුවෙක් මොනවා හරි ගත්තොත් නේද? එයාට හොඳට ඉකොනොමිකල් බෑග්ග්‍රවුන්ඩ් එකක් තියෙනවා. හරි. ඒතකොට දැන් අපිට ඒක ගන්න බෑග්ග්‍රවුන්ඩ් එකක් නැත්නම් නේද? ආර්ථිකයක් නැත්නම් අපි මොනවද වෙන්නේ? පරණය වෙනවා නේද? හරි. ඒ ගැන සැලකිලිමත් වෙන්න ඕන. Also I can write another one. Obeying to the law of law in the country. right අපි මොන හරි දෙයක් ගන්නකොට අර රටේ තියෙන නීතියට අනුකූල දේවල් ගන්න ඕන. right like that answers you can write. Another one I can write not to harm others. අනිත් අයට කරදරයක් නැති. ඒ කියන්නේ ඒගොල්ලන්ට අවහිරයක් නැති දේවල් අපි ගන්න අවශ්‍යයි. right then fourth part, look at categorize the following materials as needs and desires.
Third part.
Look at the first one. The first column you have write the needs, second column you have write desires. Price, needs or desire?
needs
It is needs. No, needs කියන්නේ මොනවද? අවශ්‍යතා. Desires කියන්නේ ආශාවන් නේද? Rice is a need. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ආහාර කියන එක නේද? අවශ්‍ය දෙයක් නේ. ඒක ආශාවක් නෙවෙයි නේද? ඔයගොල්ලෝ ආහාරයට ගන්න ඕන දේවල්. Expensive pen. It is desire, no?
Desire. Desire.
Expensive pens. Dal
needs
is a need. Dal is a need, no? Dal කියන්නේ පරිප්පු නේද? Ice cream
Desire.
is
Desire.
desire.
I can't hear you.
Ice cream is a desire. Okay. Next one, books, needs or desire?
need
It is a need no ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕන නේද ඒක ආශාවක් නෙවෙයි පොත් තියා ගන්න එක නේද ඒක අවශ්‍යතාවයක් right books need. Toffees it is desires. Drugs drugs mean what
Needs.
drugs mean what
Medicines.
medicines right drugs කියන්නේ මොනවද medicines වලට right drugs is a need.
Sir,
Yes.
I wrote books for the desire side. Is it wrong?
Yes, there are 8 terms given, no? 4 terms you have to write in needs column. 4 terms you have to write in desires column. Why this question given this part 4 and this part 4 items? Okay. If you wrote books this side and any other one this side, sometimes 1 mark reduce. Right?
Various clothes.
Various clothes.
Desires.
Various clothes mean desires. Clothes are needs, but various clothes vividendum neda. It is desire.
It's wasting money.
Right? දැන් මේ various හින්දා තමයි මේ word එක මේ පැත්තට ආවේ නේද? නිකම්ම clothes තිබුණා නම් ඒක need එකක්. Right? Various
mean madravene.
no, drugs mean medicines. Right? Medicines වලට අපි කියනවා drugs කියලා. එහෙමත් කියනවනේ අර drugs කියලා කියනවා මත්ද්‍රව්‍ය වලට. දැන් මෙතනදී mean කරන්නේ මොකද්ද? drugs කියන්නේ medicines කියන එක, right? බෙහෙත් වලට තමයි අපි drugs කියලා කියන්නේ. Right, that's the second question answers. Okay, then I'm going to the third one. I finish note down quickly.
Yes, sir.
I hope I will.
I hope I
I think from second question to seventh one, it is not difficult questions. Okay, easy.
Okay, move on to third question.
I saw some students wrote the drugs desires. Drugs අපි ආසාවටද බෙහෙත් බොන්නේ නෑ නේද? ලෙඩ රෝග හොඳ කරගන්නනේ.
Yes.
හොඳ කරගන්න. It is
Vitamin.
need, right? It is a
Vitamin.
ඔගොල්ලෝ කවුරුවත් ආසාවට බොන්නේ නෑනේ බෙහෙත් නේද? It is not the desire, no? Right. Then I am going to third question. Look at third one. Food plays a major role existence of life, right? Food ආහාර අපි ජීවය පවත්ව ගන්න නම් ආහාර කියන ඒවා විශාල කාර්යයක් ඉටු කරනවා, right? It is a basic need, food. The first part, there are 4 parts given of this question. First part, divided the nutrients of food into the 2 main parts. There are 2 main parts we discussed, macronutrients and micronutrients. So your answer should be
micronutrient.
macro and micro. You write down macronutrients, micronutrients, okay, like that. Second one, look at, write 2 of the nutrients that we should consume to protect our body from diseases. Write 2 of the nutrients. Write 2 of the nutrients. How many nutrients you know? There are 5 nutrients.
Ayu.
There are 5 nutrients. What are the 5 nutrients? Carbohydrate, protein,
Vitamins, minerals, and fat.
Vitamins,
fats and
minerals,
lipids, no? Right? Do you remember? They act as the safeguard. ඔගොල්ලෝ ආරක්ෂකයෝ වගේ ආරක්ෂා කරන දෙන්නෙක් හිටියා. මතකද කවුද කියලා?
Vitamins and minerals.
Vitamins and minerals.
So you have to write what's the answer? Vitamins
vitamins and minerals.
Minerals.
and minerals.
Minerals.
Third part, look at write 3 bad effects of malnutrition. I think you remember nutrition. There are 2 types,
Communicable diseases easily, of education and impaired concentration.
yes, the one answer is poor growth.
Important of education.
Yes.
Important concentration, slow
Impairment of
of physical
education.
growth.
Yes.
Impaired concentration and conduct communicable diseases easily.
Yes.
Underweight.
Sir, can we write reduction?
Diseases easily.
Yes, I will write. You write down 3 bad defects. Being subjected
Important concessions ඒක හරිද?
to communicable diseases. That mean the communicable diseases suffer easily.
Sir, can we write develops goitrous?
Okay, no problem. You can write the effects of malnutrition, anyone.
Also,
Underweight. Is it on?
Yes, underweight. Like suitable 3 answers you have to write. Okay. Any suitable 3 answers.
anemia?
Right. Then 4th question, look at.
Rice is carbohydrate, coconut is fat, eggs are proteins,
Yes.
green leaves
This question asks not the 2 main parts, macro and micro. Okay. Macro micro කියන එක නෙවෙයි මේකෙදී අහන්නේ. මොනවද අහන්නේ? මේකේ තියෙන main nutrients. Rice,
rice
carbohydrate.
carbohydrate, coconut is
Excuse
fat,
me.
eggs are proteins and green leaves are vitamins.
Coconut fats, eggs, proteins, and green
Vitamins.
leaves, vitamins and also minerals.
Vitamins and minerals.
සර් කොකනට් එක ලිපිඩ් කියලා ලිව්වම මන්ද ලිපිඩ්.
Excuse me, sir, for the
Yes,
fourth
sir.
questions.
Sorry, what?
For the third questions, third part, I didn't know the same answers, but my answers a little different. Is it okay?
Little difference.
Yes, it's like don't have enough strength, get sick quite often, and fainting.
No. You have to write the nutrient types. If you write carbohydrate, is it okay? Right,
No, sir, for the third question, not the fourth one.
Third one. Okay, no problem. Third one, suitable answers you can write, no problem.
සර් ෆෝර්ත් එකට මේ දෙවනි එකේ මේ ලිපිඩ් කියලා ලිව්වට කමන්න.
ගැටලුවක් නැහැ lipids, fats, lipids කියලා. lipids කියන්නේ හැබැයි ගොඩාක් වෙලාවට animal parts කියලා මතක තියාගන්න. Fats mean
Okay, sir.
plant materials. So
Okay, sir.
the most suitable answer is fats. If you wrote lipids, it is no problem. Right. Then I'm going to fourth question. Green leaves, not protein. Protein අඩංගු වෙන ආහාර අපි වෙනම කතා කරන්නේ. The green leaves වල ගොඩාක්ම තියෙන මොනවාද? Vitamins, minerals, right? Like that materials. Right. Next one, look at netball is the popular game among women, while volleyball is the national game. Sri Lanka.
I wrote this one.
Okay, no problem. ඔයගොල්ලෝ ලියපු answers ටික බලන්න. ඒ වගේම නොලියපු ඒවා ටිකත් ලියා ගන්න. මම ඔක්කොම questions ටික discuss කරනවා. Right. Look at the first part of this question. How many players can play in a volleyball team? How many? There are 6 players, no? Only the one side includes 6 players. Write the length and width of a volleyball
Length is
court.
15 meter and width is 9 meter.
Length 18
18
meters
Width is 9 meter.
and
Half the length.
width 9 meters. That's the length and breadth, length and width of the volleyball court. I think these questions are not difficult, okay, very easy, right? Very short answers you have to write. Write 3 features of major mean organized games. You can write 3 features. I will type, you write down.
Determine number of participants.
Standard rules and
Curate
regulations.
rules and regulations.
Standard rules and regulations, and also using standard ground.
Standard equipments.
Yes, standard grounds. Also using standard
Sir,
instruments.
playground with a forward measurement.
Yes, another one.
Determine number of participants that should be present.
Determines the number of the person that should be present.
Definite number of players. Right. Another one. This one mentioned that one, no? Using standard grounds. That mean අර දිග පළල හරියට තියෙන විදියට තමයි ඒ grounds select කරගන්න ඕන.
Wear suitable clothes.
Yes, wear suitable clothes, right? Like that. 3 features you have to write. Write 2 activities that can be used to practice ball controlling, right? එතනක් තියෙනවා ball control කරන්න suitable method එකක්. ඒතර දැන් volleyball වලදී ඔයගොල්ලන්ට අර ගොඩක් ඒවා තියෙනවා.
Running.
Yes.
While running, changing the balls
Yes.
with friends.
දැන් මෙතන ලියනකොට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට answers අර individual වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. තනියම කරන දේවල් වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් දෙන්නෙක් අතර
Throwing and catching the ball.
එහෙම නැත්නම් group එකක් විදියට වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්, right? Suitable answers you have write 2 activities. Right, I did not write type this one. Suitable answers you have, okay? Volleyball will be suitable answers.
Passing the ball between two above the level of need.
Okay, then I am going to the 5th question. Developing fitness factors help to lead a healthy
It is
life.
9th unit. 9th unit.
Yes, 9th unit, no? Okay, if you don't know the answers, you can remove this one, no? For the test. Right. හරි දැන් හැබැයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවාද නැද්ද තාම අපි කරේ නෑ තාම නේද? Okay. හරි එහෙනම් මේක මම
The answers.
මේක තියලා මම ඊළඟ එකට යන්නම්. Okay. ඒක අපි 9th unit එක කරලා ඉවරලා කරමු. Right. හැබැයි ඒක ගැටලුවක් නැහැ ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ lesson එක නොකර කියලා මේ තව තියෙනවනේ select කරගන්න නේද questions. Right. Next one, look at sports helps to refresh the tired mind. Write two advantages of engaging in minor games. Minor games වල engage වෙනකොට තියෙන advantages දෙකක් ලියන්න කියලා තියෙන්නේ.
Gain happy and
I will
get,
you write down. Ability to identify, ability to
play Victor without equipment.
identify the skills
With or without equipment.
and spiritual
Then with available place.
characteristics. Right, මේ minor games වල engage වෙනකොට අපිට පුළුවන් ඒ AI ගේ දක්ෂතාවයන් ඒ වගේම AI ගේ spiritual characteristic නේද? ඒගොල්ලෝගේ අර ගතිගුණ කොහොමද මේව ටික identify කරගන්න පුළුවන්කම තියෙනවා මේ වගේ minor games වල engage වෙනකොට. Right? Another one,
Ability to play with or without instruments.
can be developed running, jumping, throwing.
So you spell jumping as jumping.
Jumping, no? Right? Throwing. And also catching. Right? Like that. Also, we can play without instruments. Right? Can be played without.
So is it also correct if we write as making motor skills?
Making which skills?
Making motor skills.
Yes, making motor skills. Yes. Right, lot of answers you can write, no problem. Only two advantages you have to write. Also, you can study about the obeying to teachers and elders, fellowship, right? Like that, lot of answers you can write. Right. Part two,
And organized game.
name the minor games depicted by the following two diagrams. මේ දෙකේ නම් මොනවද කියලා අහන්න. Part A, skipping. Skipping rope or skipping, okay? The part B, hopscotch.
Sir, can we write skipping with skipping rope?
Skipping rope, okay, no problem. Are you writing the answers?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So is it also correct if we write as entertainment?
Which one?
Sixth one, first one.
First part. Okay, no problem. Right. Then look at part 3. Write 3 points for being important the rules and regulations for a player. මේ rules regulations වලින් players ලට තියෙන වැදගත්කම් තුනක් ලියන්න කියලා කියන්නේ. Right? I think you remember a lot of points we discussed. The one thing, protecting the rights of players. Protecting the rights of players. අර ඒ ක්‍රීඩකයන්ගේ අයිතිවාසිකම් ආරක්ෂා වෙනවා. Right? Rights mean අයිතිවාසිකම්. That's one point. And another one,
We can play it easy.
yes, another one, minimizing accidents.
Injuries,
Yes, injuries.
solving
Being
issues,
able to run the game correct.
Yes, solving problems. Right? ප්‍රශ්න විසඳ ගන්න පුළුවන් නේද? Solving
issues.
problems. And also you can write keeping peace. Right? අර සාමකාමී බව ආරක්ෂා වෙනවා. Developing friendship.
Can we get the first place?
Right? Like that answers you can write, no? Yes, another answer sent teamwork, right? Endurance, patience, right? Like that also correct answers, no? Develop the teamwork, no? Teamwork කියලාම ලියන්න එපා. Develop the teamwork, right? Like that answers you can write. Okay, then last part of the sixth question, look at write 4 disadvantages of disobeying. Obeying කියන්නේ අර ගරු කරනවා කියන එක. Disobeying mean ගරු නොකරනවා. Rules and regulations and ethics of sports. Right? 4 disadvantages. මේ rules regulations ethics වලට ගරු නොකිරීමේ තියෙන එහෙම නොකරුවොත් ඒ වගේ අයට මොනවද වෙන්න පුළුවන් disadvantage? අවාසි මොනවද? අවාසි මොන සහගත
being
දේ?
disqualified
The
from the game,
competitor is
friend-
the punishment,
Yes.
Being lazy.
defamation of the country,
disqualified from the game,
Political results.
cancellation of the competition of the competitor,
Yes. Disqualified from the game. Okay.
from the
The game
society,
follow.
of friends,
අයින් වෙලා යනවා. Disqualified from the game. And another one, facing bans. Facing bans
lost friends and being suspected from the society,
from competition. right? ඒ තරංගවලියෙන් ඒගොල්ලෝ බෑන් වෙනවා කියන්නේ තහනම් වෙනවා, right? තරංග තහනමකට මුහුණ දෙන්න වෙනවා. ඒතර ඒකත් ඒ ප්ලේයර්ට වෙන disadvantage එකක්. සමහර ටීම් එකටම වෙන්න පුළුවන්, right? Losing of friends.
Being suspected from the society.
Yes. Losing of friends mean අර යහළුවෝ ටික නැති වෙලා යනවා නේද? ඒගොල්ලෝ rules regulations වලට හරියට අවනත වෙන්නේ නැතුව වැඩ කරොත්.
Sir, is it correct if I write as get hurt, not playing fair, and get into trouble, hurt others, lose opportunities?
Yes, okay. And another one you can
Being
write
isolated in society. Yeah?
not respected or recognized by the society, right? සමාජයෙන් ඒවා පිළිගැනීමක් නැති වෙනවා. Not respected by the society. Right, like that.
I think being isolated in society.
Sorry.
Being isolated in society.
Yes. Right, like that. 4 disadvantages. Any disadvantages, suitable disadvantages, you can write, no problem. But I wrote only 4 disadvantages. Right? මේවම ලියලා තියන්න ඕනේ නැහැ answers වලට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට. මම මේ examples 4ක් තමයි ලිව්වේ. Right? ඔයගොල්ලෝ කියපු answers උත් හරි. Right. Then I'm going to the next question. It is the last question of this paper. Correct posture, minimize injuries. Write 2 postures that we keep in our day-to-day life. Right, a lot of postures we discuss in our lessons.
Walking, correct sitting, correct lying, and correct talking.
Only 4 sorry, only 2 postures you have to write.
Correct.
Standing,
Standing and sitting.
standing, walking,
Running.
sitting,
Sitting, lying.
and lining. Right, that's the
Stand at ease.
no, stand is mean the one type of posture type. No, in this one as 2 postures. Right, මේ වගේන් දෙකක් තමයි ඔයගොල්ලන්ට answers විදියට ලියන්න තියෙන්නේ. Second part, look at write 2 instances
When we
in
are seeing the school income and national income.
standing attention. Right, attention, standing attention එකේ ඉන්නකොට ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ posture එක කොහොමද තියෙන්න ඕන කියලා අහන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ මොන වගේ අවස්ථාවලදීද අපි ඒක ඉන්න ඕන කියලා. You can write the answers when the national flag is being hoisted. Right, අර ජාතික කොඩිය ඔසවන අවස්ථාවකදී අපිට ඉන්න පුළුවන්. මම type කරන්නේ නැහැ ඒව අහන්න answer එක. When the national anthem is being sung, ජාතික ගීය ගායනා කරන විට. When the school anthem is being sung. And in a march past, right? March past එකදී ඒ වගේම ජාතික ගීය ස්කූල් නේද පාසල් ගීය ඒ වගේම ජාතික කොඩිය ඔසවන අවස්ථාවකදී ඔන්න ඔය වගේ අවස්ථාවල තමයි අපි stand attention එකේ ඉන්නවා, right? අර සීරුවෙන් ඉන්න ඕන අවස්ථාව. Then third part, look at name the following 3 postures. The first one given standing attention. Part A, standing attention. Part B, stand at ease.
Stand at ease and stand ease.
Part C, stand ease. Stand ease.
But the B and C is
Sir,
B and C
Sir,
are
sir,
one.
දෙවැනි එකටයි තුන්වෙනි එකටයි answers ආයිතරයක් කියනවාද පොඩ අහන්න.
Part A, standing attention. Part B, stand at ease. Part C, standing ease. ඕගොල්ලෝ දැන් මේ BC දෙක බැලුවාම එකම වගේ පේනවා ඇති. ඒ වුණාට බලන්න මේ hands දෙක bend වෙලා තියෙන ආකාරයත් එක්ක හරියට මේක තේරුම් ගන්න අවශ්‍යයි.
If the gap between the body and hand is called as standish.
Yes. Right. Then last part, look at write 2 disadvantages of keeping incorrect posture. අර වැරදි ඉරියව් භාවිතා කරොත් මෙන්න මේ වගේ two disadvantages you have to write. Okay, only 2 answers. Muscles, bones and injured.
Bone broke.
I will say you check the answers. Okay, muscles, bones and joints are injured. Right, muscles, joints, bones ඒවා damage වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Being subjected accidents අනතුරු වලට මුහුණ දෙන්න පුළුවන්. And also you can write incorrect posture in the childhood may cause injuries easily. හරි අර ළමා කාලේදී වෙන
The knees and spine should be damaged.
yes එතකොට ළමා
Accidents can be
හරි වැඩිපුර ඒවා බලපාන්න පුළුවන්. Being unable to overcome from incorrect posture. හරි ඒවා අර incorrect posture එකක් වුණාට පස්සේ ඒකෙන් වෙන හානිය අපිට නැවත ආපහු හදාගන්න බැරි වෙන්න පුළුවන්. And another one, being inactive. Right, being inactive. Right, like that 2 answers, 2 suitable disadvantages you have to write as the answers.
That's the end of the paper.
Yes, the one question I did not discuss because it is contained the 9th lesson. Next day,
Yes, in the part 2, many questions
Sir?
are contained.
And the end of the class today.
සර් අන්තිමේකට මේ ආන්සර් කියන්නකෝ. එකක්.
muscles and bones, muscles, bones and joints are injured. Being subjected accidents. Being inactive.
සර් මේක දැන් ඊළඟ පාසෙ
Muscles, bones and